Do we have to film a video today?
Yes.
That's all right. I just have to... blue shell. I'm out. Hello, it's me, Trisha Hirschberger. The Nintendo Switch 2 is out and officially the fastest selling home video console of all time. Whether you're one of the lucky millions Mario Karting across the world and palling around with Pauline and Donkey Kong, or if you're one of those planning on making a purchase over the holiday season, you might be interested in retrieving your Switch data and bringing it to Nintendo's newest hybrid console. You could even call it a link to the past? All right, maybe too deep of a cut. I must stress, if you've already set up and been playing your Switch 2, the only way to transfer your Switch data is by resetting your console to factory settings. That means you'll lose all your save data and must download everything over again. Also, once data has been transferred from your original Switch, it will be deleted from that console. No duplicating your Breath of the Wild saves. This includes all profiles too, so you won't be able to transfer just your profile. Make sure that both the Switch and Switch 2 are connected to their AC adapters and powered. You should also check that your internet connection is stable and can support both consoles. First of all, power on your Switch 2 and follow the initial setup steps on the device until you see the System Transfer screen. Connect to an internet connection when it tells you, and update the console to the latest system version by following the on-screen instructions. Then select Start System Transfer. It will prompt you to insert a microSD express card if you want to use one. If you don't, select Skip. Next, you'll sign in to the same Nintendo account connected to the user that will initiate the transfer on the Nintendo Switch. Select Next, then make sure both consoles are nearby and select Done. You'll need to hop onto your original Switch for the next part. Make sure that the Switch is connected to the internet and that it is fully updated. Go to Settings on the home menu, then System and System Transfer to Nintendo Switch 2. Hit Next, then OK, and with your Switch 2 nearby, select Done. Wait for the consoles to connect, and once they have, select Start Download on the Switch 2. After the data has been received, the Switch 2 will restart and complete the transfer. It will resume the initial console setup process from here. When the data has been removed from the Switch and sent to the Switch 2, select OK on the Switch. Your user profiles, digital game purchases, save data, videos, screenshots, and parental controls, if any, should all have been removed from your Switch and transferred to your Switch 2. It might take a little while for the actual games to download to your new console, though. For anyone especially worried about losing game save data, it may be worth it to subscribe to Nintendo Switch Online, even just for a short time, so that your saves can be backed up via Nintendo's Save Data Cloud system as a backup. Head into System Settings, Data Management, then scroll down to select Save Cloud Data and make sure it's toggled on. Once your save data is backed up to Nintendo's online servers, you can download it again whenever you choose, even if you're playing on different systems. Note, certain games like Pokemon and Animal Crossing don't use cloud backup, and you may need a third-party tool or to manually transfer game files if these saves are your most precious. Are you excited about your new console? Or are you waiting until that killer app drops before you make your Switch 2 purchase? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for future tech tips.